In 2005, scientists at Yale taught a group of monkeys how to use money. Within weeks, the monkeys invented theft and the world's oldest profession.
They did what?
This is not a joke. There's a published paper. Welcome to the lab. Humans believe they're bad with money because of bad education, bad parents, bad economy.
Bad luck, mostly.
So 2 Yale scientists asked a better question. What if being bad with money isn't something you learned, but something you are? To find out, they needed a creature with no bank account, no Instagram, and no shame.
Meh?
Close capuchin monkeys. Step 1. Teach monkeys that a small metal disc can be traded for food. It took months, but once it clicked, they got it. Grapes, apples, Jell-O, every treat had a price. And then the scientists started playing games with the economy. They cut the price of Jell-O in half. What did the monkeys do? Bought more Jell-O and fewer grapes. That's a demand curve. Monkeys respond to prices like Wall Street.
Buy the dip. Got it.
Then came the gambling tests. 2 salesmen. One showed 1 grape and sometimes added a bonus. The other showed 2 grapes and sometimes took 1 away. Same average result, but the monkeys hated the second guy. Losing feels twice as bad as winning feels good. The monkeys had loss aversion, the same bias that makes humans hold crashing stocks.
Me? I would never.
You have 6 unused gym memberships. And then things escalated. One monkey grabbed the whole tray of tokens and bolted, the first recorded monkey bank robbery.
A legend.
And in the chaos, a researcher saw a male monkey hand a token to a female, after which she traded it for a grape. Money had just bought the world's oldest service.
So they invented crime and commerce in the same afternoon.
One more thing. In years of experiments, not a single monkey ever saved a token.
Huh. Weird. Cannot relate.
So what does this say about you? Insight 1. Your money mistakes are 35 million years old. Loss aversion didn't come from your parents. It came from your ancestors. You can't uninstall it. Insight 2. Nobody is born a saver. Not monkeys, not you. Saving is unnatural, which is why just trying harder fails, and automatic saving works. Remove the monkey from the decision. Insight 3. Prices manipulate you exactly like the Jell-O. Sales, anchors, 50% off, your brain buys the discount, not the thing.
It was half price.
Exhibit A. The moral, you can't outsmart your monkey brain. It's the same monkey in nicer clothes. But you can outplan it. If a capuchin had a subscribe button, he'd trade it for a grape. You have better judgment. Prove it. Next episode, the king so rich he crashed the price of gold. By accident, with generosity.
He broke gold.